Hello, treasures. Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Let's make this simple but very delicious and sumptuous, healthy drink. This drink can help you to sleep very well and relax and refresh you. With just two ingredients, you can make this drink. And the ingredients we are using are just avocado and soya milk. I have a video of how to make your own soya milk at home. You can check the video out. So all I'll do is to peel and cut the avocado, add into my blender with the milk and blend. You can also add any other sweetener if you want, but the soya milk I'm using is sweetened with dates, but you can use sugar or any other sweetener you want. That is if you want this drink very sweet, because sometimes avocado, when you blend it, is not as sweet as it's sweet. So you can add your own sweetener to it, but mine is or was already delicious. The soya milk is very delicious. I didn't need to add any other sweetener to it. I'll also add some ice cubes to it, but this is optional. Also, feel free to add any other fruit of your choice, but I'm leaving it simple.
Sunrise paints the kitchen gold. Another day begins, I'm told. Juices line up in a row, ready to make my spirit glow. Got the beets and the pineapple bright, ready to feel alright. Treasure kitchen magic potion, blend it up in slow motion. Beetroot pineapple.
This drink is very healthy and it can serve as breakfast or even dinner. Those evenings that you don't want anything heavy, you want something light, you can just take a cup of this and sleep, and you will sleep very well.
Twist, carrot juice, I can't resist. Treasure kitchen.
Here we have our avocado and soya milk drink. Very simple to put together, but very healthy and yummy. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
A rainbow drink that sees me through. Vitamins dance upon my tongue.